Hello, hi. Okay, so welcome back. So, all right. So earlier I already showed like how to create a Ubuntu virtual instance in the Microsoft Azure. Then after that we have trying to configure a little bit on the SSH, and then we use the custom port 2222, okay, for SSH, and then we have make a uh, configure the HTTPS over um, the public IP address. So right now we trying to do a little bit more. Uh, we trying to purchase a domain name, and then we trying to assign the domain name to the public IP address. Okay, so how to purchase a domain name? Actually, there are many ways. So I'm just using this called Namecheap. So you can just like you know uh, go to get okay. There's a lot of the okay. I'm using this purchase domain name from this 99 cent USD dollar. Okay, so there are a lot. So you just basically you type whatever the name you wanted, and then you see what is the price, okay, what the price you need. So what I understand is like you think carefully on the domain name you want, and then you need to understand the top level domain, like what is IO, what is def, what is me, what is f, what is sh, what is xyz. So all of these have different meanings. Okay, so you have to study a little bit. Okay, and then the pricing. Of course, for me, the first priority is the pricings. Okay, it's a pricing because um, as we are just a beginner, right? So we want to learn, so we don't go for something very expensive. And then make sure when you purchase it, if can, it is advisable like you do not set it auto renew. If you are not ready, okay, if it's just for testing, you just want to try it out for educational purpose, you just purchase it for one time only. Okay, it's everything in USD. Okay, so in my case I choose if you can see here, this is the domain I purchased, .top. Okay, so if I coming to this okay, for me, so what I need to do is I need to go to the advanced DNS. So I just need to set this, okay, for example this air record, okay, air record. So remember earlier when we are doing for this is like for example this 52.163.121.57, this is the earlier I set for. Okay, so now we go for another public IP address, which is this. So of course in this Microsoft Azure, you can just get ready lah, just start it lah. You have to start. Okay, remember everything in the cloud platform they are calculate. Okay, if you cost you some money, so if you don't want to use it, you stop it. Okay, stop it. If you finish your experiment, you delete it. Okay, completely delete it to prevent it charging you. Okay, like right now I'm still in at my experiment, so I from the start I from the stop I start it back. Okay, then when I go to this maybe I can add one air record. Okay, so this you put alias, this you put your IP address, so this you put 60 minutes, save it. Okay, for example, this is the one I doing it. Okay, and you okay, let me just click one more time. Okay, so now I have two air record. So this is for for you to later on to map to your public IP address. Okay, so this is my public IP address. So now you have you configure in your uh, Namecheap, okay, your portal. So now you come back here, you see whether is it ready. It's not ready yet, okay, but you can get ready your PowerShell, okay, administrator, okay, just okay, it's executed, all right. So when it's started, okay, so if you refresh here, it's running. So which means that you can get ready with your, still remember your SSH. Okay, now you need to configure, right? So you need to get ready with your key. Okay, your key files. Okay, remember we already set the custom port. So Azure test at, remember the IP address 52.187.104.15. Okay, so this is the code. This is the private key file. This is the custom port 22222 for SSH purpose. Okay, now SSH is ready. Okay, so actually if you do not want to use this, there is another way, is we call it WinSCP, which is also very good tools. Okay, so this is the one that you can give a try. Like here you put what's the IP did I save just now? No, 52.187.104.15 port 2222, username Azure test. So the password you have to go to advanced, and then you need to go to SSH, look for the authentication, the private key file. You need to select your okay, earlier it's called Ubuntu test. Okay, Ubuntu test. Okay, this is my private key. Then if you select this, you follow the instruction on the screen. If you convert this PEM file extension become PPK. Okay, because this is the file extension recognized by the WinSCP. All right, something like this. So if you click OK, then if you can, you save it lah. Okay, so after save it, you will see something here. All right, so if you log in from here, okay, then you can accessing to your web server also. Okay, this is your web server. Then later on, you can go to your var, your www, your HTML file. So basically, it's the same. So WinSCP. Okay, if you want to know what is WinSCP, you can just Google about it. Okay, this is the one, you can download it. All right, so let's get back to our command here. So right now I need to, as I said, I need to configure a little bit on the, so that if you read my my domain name, I need to configure it. Then I want to make the domain name map with my public IP address. Okay, so if we go here, okay, so if you still remember 52, this is the IP address, right? So this is the website I trying to do. This is a default page. So right now I want to change this one to become the domain name I purchased, wing.top. All right, so how to achieve this? So you need to okay, earlier I showed you already the configuration on the MS Teams. Then now if you want, you can okay, you can go to what's my DNS. Okay, this is just to test whether the DNS propagation. Okay, and then if you one, okay, you can go to who is domain tools. All right, this is just to check your who is record, okay, that you purchase, the domain name you purchase. All right, so this is the domain name I purchased lah. Okay, so a lot of thing is rejected for privacy lah. All right, it's good for security purpose lah. Okay, so then after that you just have to ensure that when you go to your Ubuntu, okay, your overview, make sure that your okay, you are allowed HTTPS 443. All right, so make sure you have inbound. Of course, if you can have outbound for your HTTPS 443. All right, so after that we need to all right, if everything all this done, then you can go back to here, then you modify uh your default uh, SSL the file. Okay, let's give a try. Okay, cd etc. Okay, cd G2. So Apache 2, you can see all this thing. You look for cd site. Okay, ls. So this is the file we have. Okay, in this case we modify the 000 configuration file. Okay, okay, so here we have to modify a bit. Okay, in case if you think that you want to back up the file, like for example this file, you can go to the WinSCP. All right, you can still go to, in case, okay, just in case if you want DC Apache 2 site available. So these are the three files, right? So if you want, you can just like a backup. Okay, you download first, override, no, new name. Okay, for example, this is just for your records lah. Okay, you just save it first. Okay, default, just in case. Oops, because I tried earlier, so okay, maybe he saved some of my file. Okay, so you can you will have some of the files. Okay, just save it down first. So now you can safely modify it lah. Okay, sorry, right? So okay, top. So after that you okay, maybe this of this line, the moment you can remove it first, save, save. Okay, so first, and then okay, now we go for the how to enable the HTTPS. Okay, you can no need to restart first, later you restart your Apache one shot lah. So right now sudo apt okay, always perform this one first. right? Sudo apt install support okay 19.3 support Apache. Okay, this is to install the let's encrypt. Let's give a try. Okay, sudo support Apache. Okay, so after that you need to put in your email address, okay, for examples. You put in your email address. Okay, you have to agree on the terms. Okay, yep, just say yes. Okay. So which name would you like to activate the HTTPS? So select the appropriate number separate by the comma or space, or leave the input blank to select all additional. So if you want, select the appropriate number separate by comma, okay, or space like 1 or 2, like 1, 2. Let me give a try. Okay. I see. So could be just now we did not save it. Okay, the first one is okay. The second one, the DNS cannot find. Okay, so I think we choose for one. Okay, let us repeat for this step again. Okay, with this round we select one. Let's give a try. Okay, only for the domain I purchased. Okay, wingy.top. Should be works. Alright, so this one is like whether we want to allow for HTTP traffic or completely remove HTTP. So for this one, we if you are confident your site work on HTTP, you can do this. So this round maybe we can go for number 2. Let's give a try. Okay, let's give a try. We press number 2. Alright, so congratulations, you can see your certificate now and the change has been saved in this place. Okay, so right now what you need to do is again you need to okay, let me see, you need to do a little bit like update A to N mode SSL CHI, right? Sudo A to N site. Okay, this round we go for default SSL config file variable. So sudo. Now we go to reboot. Start Apache 2. Right? Okay, so let's give a try. So from here, okay, we can open another tab. Okay, top. Okay, is you can see it works HTTPS. If you open the certificate, you can see this let's encrypt. Okay, this is the domain. I'm just done it. So this is the detail, but I didn't put much information on this. Right? You can open another browser and give a try. Okay, we'll choose top. Give a minute. All right. So this is using Edge browser. So now if okay, it works on my domain name. So my purchase domain name has map with the public IP address given by the MS Azure. So this okay, this is the one. Okay, if you just want to try again for another browser, also can just just okay. Right, it works right. So you can see okay the certificate secure. Okay, let's encrypt. Okay, so if you go to the IP, let's see 0415. Okay, sorry, 187, right? Okay, this is the IP address. Okay, so this is not secure, but then it's still considered HTTPS lah. Okay, what I'm trying to say is HTTPS because this is the cell sign. Okay, it's like this. Okay, once okay you accept and then you go. Okay, it's still like this. So HTTPS, the earlier one just put the okay normal HTTP is all work. So HTTP, HTTPS, domain name. All right. So if you just put okay without the he will redirect you to HTTPS. Okay, can you see the difference? Okay, so right now I mean you basically already achieve like how to create a Ubuntu virtual instance in Microsoft Azure. After that, you configure the simple Apache 2 web server in the Ubuntu instance, and then you learn how to use SSH using the default port 22 and also using the custom port 2222, and then you already learn how to configure the like in the MS Azure portal how to use the how to configure the inbound rules, outbound rules, and then you know how to use the sudo nano meaning edit index file to modify a little bit of your website, and then you also like learn how to make the a simple cell sign certificate okay on the public IP address, and then later on we go to purchase domain name with a minimum amount of money. Be careful on all the pricing. Okay, be very careful, be alert on all the pricings. Okay, and then you configure the air record, and then after that we configure the domain name into the Ubuntu web server. So with this, so after that we configure the secure HTTP, okay, HTTPS using the Let's Encrypt. This is the free one, so that we can enjoy the HTTPS secure connections. Okay, so with this, I would say we are achieving the purpose already lah on doing on this sharing. Okay, is hopefully you enjoy this this is my sharing sections on this, and I hope you learn something on this. All right. Okay, so I'm going to stop the sharing sections.